The Google Pixel 10 series is making waves in the tech world as new leaks continue to spill, and this time, it's official. Model numbers for the entire Pixel 10 lineup, excluding the Pixel 10a, have surfaced in the GSMA database, sending anticipation levels through the roof. These leaks, revealed by the SmartPre team and sourced directly from the ultra-reliable GSMA listings, confirm that Google is gearing up for a huge upgrade in its upcoming flagship devices. But that's not all. One of the most awaited changes is a big one: the processor. Google, which previously collaborated with Samsung to produce its custom Tensor chips, is now taking a bold new step to break free from past limitations. As many enthusiasts know, the Tensor G4 chipset, despite being decent on paper, simply couldn't hold its ground against the powerhouse chipsets from rivals, often falling behind in terms of performance and thermal management. That's why this next move is turning heads. Google is reportedly partnering with TSMC for the very first time to manufacture the Tensor G5 chip, and that could be a game changer. According to previous exclusive reports from Android Authority, this shift to TSMC is expected to bring significant enhancements in both raw power and energy efficiency, finally addressing the criticisms that plagued older Pixel generations. And if we take a quick look back in chip history, the difference is clear. Remember the gap between Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1? The former, made by Samsung, suffered from overheating and battery drain issues, while the TSMC-made 8 Plus Gen 1 delivered much better thermal control and smoother performance. Qualcomm saw the difference and quickly made the switch to TSMC, and it looks like Google is now following that same smart path. This could mean the Tensor G5 will not only run cooler, but also deliver better gaming performance, smoother multitasking, and extended battery life, giving Pixel fans what they've been asking for. With this switch, the new Pixel 10 series could finally stand toe-to-toe with premium competitors from Samsung and Apple, instead of always playing catch-up. And yes, the leaks don't stop at the chipset. Thanks to the GSMA database, we now know the Google Pixel 10 series will include 4 powerful models: the standard Pixel 10, the upgraded Pixel 10 Pro, the large format Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the innovative Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Every one of these devices has appeared with unique model numbers in the database, officially confirming their existence and hinting that testing is already underway. Curiously, the Pixel 10a is missing from this round of leaks, but that doesn't mean it's canceled. Based on industry trends, we expect the Pixel 10a to pop up in the IMEI database in the coming months, likely closer to launch. Speaking of launch, mark your calendars. Google is expected to unveil the entire Pixel 10 family in August 2025. That's still about 6 to 7 months away, but we all know how fast time flies in the tech world. Between now and then, we can expect a steady stream of more leaks, renders, and insider info as the company gears up for what might be its most ambitious smartphone lineup yet. And if you're wondering why these leaks matter, here's the deal. Leaks like these give us a behind-the-scenes glimpse at how seriously Google is taking its hardware game this time. With the confirmed switch to TSMC, the official GSMA model numbers, and a likely August launch window, Google is positioning the Pixel 10 series as a major leap forward, not just a minor refresh. And this move couldn't come at a better time. With Apple's iPhone 16 series and Samsung's Galaxy S25 lineup looming, the competition will be fierce, and Pixel will need to bring its A game to stand out. By improving the chip, expanding its model range, and possibly enhancing camera tech and software features, though those details are still under wraps, Google might finally deliver a Pixel phone that nails the balance between performance, innovation, and price. And if you're a fan of foldables, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could bring Google's vision of Android-powered foldables to a whole new level, offering multitasking, photography, and screen real estate that competes with the best in the business. As always, we'll be watching every leak, every benchmark, and every official teaser like hawks, bringing you the latest developments as they unfold. So, whether you're a die-hard Pixel fan, a smartphone enthusiast, or just someone looking for the next big thing, the Pixel 10 series is something you'll definitely want to keep your eyes on. This might be the year Google finally pulls ahead. And don't worry, we've got you covered every step of the way. For the latest updates, exclusive leaks, and in-depth breakdowns of all things tech, make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to TechVerse.